ba ng express prohibition? I believe yes, no? Kasi nakita na nga natin na dahil siguro joint circular lang at walang batas na gumagabay dito sa pag-allocate ng confidential and intelligence funds at napakadaling hindi sundin ng Malacanang at ng Kongreso, maybe it's about time for our lawmakers to enact a law that governs yung sino ba pwedeng bigyan ng confidential and intelligence funds. No? Baka kailangan na magpasa ng batas para talagang nakalista doon. Sino-sino ba yung mga pwede at hindi pwedeng bigyan ng confidential and intelligence funds. Kasi lumalabas ngayon, Gerald, we are allocating taxpayers' money in the billions, in the millions.
Yes.
Dito sa budget na to, 'di ba? Ang allocation for confidential and intelligence funds ay 10.7 billion. 2 billion is allocated for the office of the president. No? So tama ka siguro, no? Kailangan meron tayong batas that specifically lists down kung sino yung hindi pwedeng bigyan ng confidential at intelligence funds.